Bulldog. Yeah.
What's going on, man?
What's going on? How you doing?
Good.
Come on, Muffin. He might not even want to go in. Come on, bud. Come on. You want to come in? Oh, them doors. Come on, buddy. Good job. There he is. He finally made it. You want to see where the treats come from? Come on over here. I'll show you. Where's this aisle? Oh yeah, this is the aisle we want. This is the aisle we want. Look at here, Muffin. They got all kinds of stuff, don't they? Oh man, all these good smells. Let's see what we got down through here. You want anything else? So I'll push that over for you. What we got here? Huh? You see anything you want? What about on this side? Put that back. Whoops. You're not supposed to do that. He's done found the cow feed. He's like, yep, get one of these too. We'll take up. I might have to clean that up.
Where do you have some?
No, I'll come back in and do it. I've got to clean up.
Uh-oh. Did you have a mistake?
He found the treats he wanted. This is where it all comes from, Muffin. This is where we get it at.
See, that's the good stuff right there. I love it.
He's doing good. He got a little freaked out over the doors when they opened, but
It's scary.
yeah, something different. He's never seen that before. Got all kinds of good stuff, don't they? All these new smells. Which side do you need me on?
You have a phone number with us?
Yeah. Yeah, he wants his treats.
Did you want to use any of your rewards?
Oh yeah, might as well.
Okay, you have $6.
Okay.
Yeah, your total's $4.92.
Oh man, can't beat that.
Do you want a bag?
No, I won't need one.
I need a manager over at here. There you go.
All right, thank
Have a
you.
great day. Thank you.
You too.
Okay, I'm sorry. This wasn't sure if the computer told you.
Come on, bud. Come on, Muffin. He did really good.
He did. He is a natural.
He's like, man, there's just all kinds of stuff going on here. Good boy.